A 9-digit number 468x5138y is divisible by 72 by 72. Then what is the value of 4x plus 3y? 4x plus 3y. 468x5138y. Kind of similar question. Yes, answer 6, sir. Yes. Okay. So obviously, if it is 72, going to be 8 and 9, right? 8 and 9. So if it is 8, the last 3 digits should be multiple of 8, right? And if this is 9, it is going to add up to 8 plus x plus y, right? So if it is 38y, it can be 380 divided by 8. That is going to be 4s are 32. It is going to be remaining with 6. So obviously, you need to add 4 to it in order to make it. So this is going to be 384. So the value of is nothing but 4. If y is 4, this is going to be 8 plus 4 plus x should be divisible by 9. This is going to be 12. 12 is nothing but 3 plus x, that should be divisible by 9. The value of x is 6. This is 6 and this is 4. This is going to be 4 into 6, that is 24, plus 3 into y, that is going to be 12. It's going to be square root of 36, that is nothing but 6. Yeah. Any doubts? Any clarification? Even if it is the smallest of doubts, get it clarified. We have completed for 3, 9, and also the multiple things also we started doing. Now, what happens if it is multiple of 5? What happens if it is a multiple of 5? Last digit should be multiple of 5. Example, it should end with 5 or it should end with 0. It should end with 5 or it should end with 0. Only then it is a multiple of 5. If I'm giving a number like this, 6, 1, 6, 5, 3, 4, is it divisible by 5? No. If I give the same question with the ending 5, is it divisible by 5? Yes. If I'm giving the same question with the ending 0, is it divisible by 5? Yes. Divisible by 5. Now, what happens for rule of 25? Rule of 25. Last 2 digits should be multiple of 25. It should be either 00 or 25 or 50 or 75 or 100. Keeps on going. Okay. Last 2 digits should be multiple of this. So take up this 6443025. Is it multiple of 25? Yes. Is it multiple of 5? Yes. So whenever a number is multiple of 25, 125, 250, 625, whatever it is, it should be a multiple of 5. The same thing holds good for your 9. If it is a multiple of 9, it should be multiple of 3. If it is a multiple of 27, will it be a multiple of 3 or not? If it is a multiple of 81, will it be a multiple of 3? It should be a multiple of 3. So how it starts? So 3 power 1, 3 power 2, 3 power 3, 3 power 4. So 3 power 1 is 3, 3 power 2 is 9. From 27, this becomes 81. Keeps on going. Same thing holds good. Fine. So if it is a 125, then what happens? Last 3 should be 000 or 125 or 250 or 375 or 500 or 625 or 750 or 870. Keeps on going. If it's 250, 500, 750, 1000. Keeps on. Fine. So all these are list of things. Well, it is going to be divisible by 5. Now the question is, if there is a given number, if there is a 7-digit number called as 678P37Q divisible by 75, and P is not a composite number, then the value of P and Q are what? What is composite numbers? What are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. Apart from prime numbers, the other number are called as composite numbers. If they are telling, if P is not a composite number, it means that P has to be a prime number. All are like thinking, what is composite number? Like, oh no. If P is not a composite number, it should be a prime number. That is the meaning of find out. If now the given question is divisible by 75. When will a number be divisible by 75? 25 into 3. You can do this, right? 3 into 25. So multiple things you can do. So there is no common multiple between 3 and 25. Start doing it. Find out what is the value of P and okay. So it should be 325. So if it is a multiple of 25, obviously the last number should be ending with, or it should be last 2 digits should be a multiple of 25. So multiple of 25 means 25, 50, 75. Obviously it has to be 5. Q has to be 5. If Q is 5, in order to become a in order for this number to become multiple of 3, it has to be adding up to multiple of 3. So in that place, so P will become 6 plus 7, how much ever it is coming? 36 plus? 36 plus P. Yeah. Okay, that is going to be, value of P is going to be 3. Value of P is 3 and the value of Q is 5. That's it. Yeah. Okay, easy ones. If you understand the basic how the divisibility happening, any kind of question in this can be handled. Sure shot, 2 to 3 marks you'll get. 2 to 3 marks in any exams. Okay, the greatest possible value of A plus B from which the integer. Okay, 1, 4, 3, B, 2, 0, 3, A is divisible by 15. Okay, 143B203A is divisible by 15. It's an 8-digit number. Find the greatest possible value of A plus B or A and B. Find A and B, the greatest possible value. Greatest possible value means the largest value you find. Divisible by 15. Now, what is the rule for 15? How should it be? So 3 into. If this is the given number, 15 means it should be multiple of 3 and 5. So 3, 5. So a number will be divisible by 5 only if the A value can be 0 or 5. So here, let us keep it as 5. So now, here for the value of B, you need to add up everything. So 1 plus 4, it's going to be 18 plus B. 18 plus B, that is nothing but 9 plus B. 9 plus B should be a multiple of 3. If this should be a multiple of 3, then it should be, so B value can be 9. That is the highest number. That is going to be 9 plus 9, it will be multiple of 3. So that is going to be A is 9 and B is 5. B is 9. Okay, so yeah, A is 9 and B is 5. A is 5 and B is 9. Sorry, B is 9 and A is 5. A is 5. These are the answers. Fine. Okay, now one last question. After that, we go for a break. 6-digit number 439XY5 is divisible by 125. Okay, divisible by 5. How many such numbers, such 6-digit numbers are there? How many such digit numbers? 4. Yes. Sure. How? It has to be multiple of 125. It can be 125, 250. 250 cannot be the thing over here because it has to end with 5. It is going to be 375. After 375, the next number 500 cannot be. It is ending with 0. The next number is going to be 625. Yeah, 625, 675, 625. 625 can be there. So it is going to be 0. Sorry, 125. Right? 125, 125 can be the option, or it can be 2. Let me write out all the possibilities. 375. Some people might be having doubts too. 375. Next option is 500, 625, 750, 875. So obviously this option is ending with 0. It cannot be. Ending with 0 cannot be. Ending with 0 cannot be. Ending with 0 cannot be. So the option you left with 125. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 different possibilities which can come. Okay, these kind of questions also might come, but they'll ask you how many different possible solutions are there. Fine. Till here, all are clear. All the questions, whatever I did, all were examination problems. If you are able to do this, you're all on the right track. Fine. Okay.